Hi winners, look, welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. You asked this video, 10 steps to build business credit in 1 month, guys. Get a notebook, get a pen. Like literally this video can unlock $50,000 plus for you in 30 days. So in this video, I'm going to give you 10 steps. I even put it in a specific order. I'm adding some nuggets in between. Guys, this video is for my brand new people who never, ever built business credit before. You're just starting off. You're going to watch this video all the way through to the end. It's also for my vets, guys, because some of you guys are still getting denials. You still have the business credit that you want and that you need, and you're missing something. Guys, I added some things in this video I have not talked about before. I've added some extra nuggets, and I even put it in a specific order for you. So if you execute in order, you will have what you need. And if you don't have one of the items, don't get mad at me if you don't have the $50,000. Got it good, guys. And for my newbies also, just welcome. My name is Terry and I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. My channel is very different from some of the other channels out there about business credit and wealth building because I tell you how to specifically get the big money for legacy, the 5 and 6 and 7 figures, how to actually use your credit to leverage to get income producing assets. And for all of you, I would love for you to like this video, share it if it helps you help our channel grow, and I'll do my nugget at the end. You have 4 ways to build business credit, okay? Way number 1 is what you're doing right now. Do your own research, execute on your own, consume the free content, okay? And actually go through the steps and have a result. Option number 2, guys, is if you want a strategy session with me directly. That's 1 hour with me directly. Now, can I teach you all of business credit in 1 hour? No, I can't, but can I help you for hitting a roadblock? Can I point you in the right direction? Can you have 1 hour to pick my brain? Absolutely. I'll put the link in the description. This is option number 3. If you want a proven system, you can invest in Credit Leverage Lifestyle. That is a self-paced online course. You guys get lifetime access. Option number 4 for building business credit, guys, is if you want somebody to hold your hand through every single step. That's my Business Credit Builder program, where it's an online digital platform for business credit building, okay? And you also get 12 months access to my credit advisor team. That means for 12 months, you can pick up the phone and call somebody to get some support, and they'll also check on you. And the system is set up to outline every single step separately. So you build it from scratch all the way up to being fully fundable. Got it good. And this is the free way, okay? So you do the free way until you're able to invest in bigger services. All right, so step number 1, guys, is incorporate your business, period. That means you're either going to incorporate yourself by registering your business with the Secretary of State. You're going to possibly invest in an attorney to do it for you. Sometimes accountants or CPAs will do it for you. Or what I recommend is using like an online service. I recommend Incorporate.com or InkFile over like a LegalZoom, because those services, Incorporate.com and InkFile, are the 2 most popular that I've seen. I actually use them myself, guys. They specialize in small business formation. Okay, so if you want big money, guys, you want to be an LLC, S Corp, C Corp, Inc., something of that nature. Now, in this very first step, guys, I'm going to add for you, if you have a home address and you want to kind of start off building business credit and give yourself the best chance of getting big money fast, you guys can get the virtual address first. You get the virtual address first and incorporate your business. That way, when you incorporate it, it already has your business address. You don't have to incorporate with your home address and then change everything later on. That should have freed somebody. What I'll do also is Opus. I recommend Opus because they actually bundle things together where you can have the virtual address and you can have like a live receptionist answer your phone. So I'll put the link in the description, guys. If you've been using like a DBA or something of that nature, make sure it's registered. Make sure that's on your actual file. And or depending on what stage you are in business credit building, make sure your business is in good standing. So with this step number 1, if you're like, well, I already have my business registered, guys, check it with the state. Make sure it's active. Make sure it's in good standing. Some of you guys think that your business is in good standing and it isn't. And maybe that's why you're getting denied. Come on, somebody, you didn't even know it. Step number 2. This is after you incorporate. I'm doing these steps in order for a reason. You get your EIN after you registered your business with the state. Now, why? Because the name must match completely. Always remember, guys, for business credit, everything matching everywhere is a big deal. I don't know why. I don't make the rules, okay? I'm just telling you that if you guys incorporate, get your EIN first and say your business name is, Terry Kauser LLC, and then you go to incorporate and that name isn't available, so you pick Terry Kauser Enterprises LLC. That does not match, and you can get denied for that. So listen to me here. Register first, make sure the name is secured, the name and address, and make sure your EIN matches the name and address, same as there's a Secretary of State where your business is registered. Some of you guys are getting denied right there for the small things. So your EIN after. Step number 3 is get your business bank account. Now notice I did not say done yet. Follow me, guys. Get your business bank account. As soon as you have your business name registered, you have your EIN, you use that to get your business bank account right away. If for any reason, guys, you're not eligible to get a business bank account, fix it. Call Check Systems, find out what's wrong, like whatever it is, because if you want big money, somebody say big money. If you want the big money, you are going to need a business checking account. It's also going to be incorporated as one of the other steps I have later on. Step number 4, there's 3 things you're going to do in this step. Your business phone number, your business website, your business email. Now notice I said bank account because you don't need all of that yet for the bank account, guys. But in the step number 4, business phone number, separate from your actual cell phone number, separate from your home phone number, guys, okay? And get your website. It does not have to be anything super, super big, guys. I'll put in the description of this video. I have a whole separate video on how to set up your business correctly, right, in 10 days. Where you want to get your website and actually list the companies like, GoDaddy and Wix and Squarespace, okay? So you just get the domain, and then your business email, guys, is going to be a byproduct of the business domain. Meaning if your business domain is terrykauser.com, then your email is info@terrykauser.com, or it's, support@terrykauser.com, or it's admin@terrykauser.com. It is not Terry Kauser Enterprises at AOL, Terry Kauser Enterprises at Gmail, Terry Kauser Enterprises at Yahoo. You get my drift? If you want to unlock $50,000 in 30 days and build business credit big in 1 month, then you need to have a professional email. Step number 4 is business phone number, business website, business email. Now, step number 5 is your DUNS. Why did I make it step number 5? Because when you fill out your DUNS the very first time, get it right the first time with your business email, your business website, your business phone number. It's easier to do it right the very first time than have to go back and change everything. Then you're having duplicate files and stuff's not reporting to your reports, and it can be fixed, right, if you didn't do it the right way, guys, but it's easier to do it right the very first time. And mind you, real quick nugget right here, guys, you can do these things slower, do them fast. I gave you guys 1 month, but some people knock these out in a day or 2 days or 3 days. So how fast you go is up to you, okay? So you get your DUNS, and for my seasoned vets, if you already have your DUNS and you're past some of these steps, action item for you is to actually go back and check your DUNS. Guess what, y'all? Maybe you're filling out applications right now and you're saying you make $300,000 a year and you have 5 employees. But your DUNS says you make $50,000 a year and you have 1 employee because you never went back and updated it. Guess what? You can be denied for that because they're checking the information and making sure it matches. So if you're brand new, do it the right way with the right information. If you're a seasoned vet, go back and check your DUNS and update any information to make sure it's accurate. Step number 6 is get NAV Business Boost. NAV.com, guys. I did a whole video on just NAV. You can actually type in Terry Kauser NAV and that video will come up. So the reason why I'm saying that, guys, and I'm saying the Business Boost account, not the free one. Now, why am I saying that? If your goal is to build business credit, then you need to monitor your business reports throughout this process. And it's the cheapest way, because if you go to Dun & Bradstreet, go to Equifax Business and Experian Business individually, it will cost you way more money to get your business reports. So it is a wiser, smarter option to get NAV Business Boost. That way it's for a lower amount. And guys, they report a business trade line to the business credit bureaus for you. Come on, somebody. That's strategic. So you're going to be able to monitor your business reports, monitor 2 of your personal reports, and get a business trade line reporting to the business credit bureaus immediately. Even if your business is like 30 days old, 1 week old, you just formed it immediately. So step number 7, guys, is get Divvy and get a WEX fleet card. Now, why am I telling you guys? You guys are probably like, she didn't say net 30 yet. She didn't say vendor account yet. No, I'm telling you how to unlock bigger money faster. Why am I saying that? Because everybody starts with just the tier 1 and tier 2 accounts, which is great, right? And I do have those in one of my steps, but having vendor accounts and net 30s and having revolving trade lines is going to help you get more money faster. Your profile, your business profile is going to look different. Why am I saying Divvy? Because it's a soft inquiry and because they have 2 options now. They'll either give you a business charge card if your personal and or business credit is already looking kind of good, or if your personal credit is not in order and your business is brand new, they actually have a business credit builder like secured card. Come on, somebody. There's higher level strategy to this. So why am I saying that? That's because you can actually just do like a secured credit card, but do it for business. Now, there are other fintech business charge card companies like Brex, like Ramp, there's a whole bunch of them, right? But a lot of them don't have a business credit builder like kind of card where even if you don't meet their requirements, they'll still give you something. So I'm picking Divvy for a reason. I'll put the link in the description. It's also in my link tree. So do your Divvy and do your WEX. Now, why am I telling you to do WEX? Same thing, because they have tier 1 fleet cards that will give you a revolving trade line right away for your business. And what's going on right now? Super high gas prices. So it's a way for you to leverage right away while you're building up business credit. So now you already have NAV, and then you have Divvy and WEX, which are 3 accounts already, and they are not tier 1 vendor accounts. Step number 8 are the tier accounts. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Write this down, guys. I want you to have a goal of having 15 to 20 trade lines reporting for your business, period. Like that's the minimum, 15 to 20. So to make it easy for you, I'm going to say 5 tier 1, 5 tier 2, 5 tier 3. I have videos that are tier 1 and tier 2. Fleet cards, retail cards. Guys, it's in my business credit building playlist, which I'll put in the description. So if you guys just need tier 1 or tier 2 accounts, you can go to that video. If you just need, retail cards, go to that video. If you just need fleet cards, go to that video, okay? But 5 tier 1, 5 tier 2, 5 tier 3. Why am I telling you that? Because I did that video on scores, and you need 4 trade lines reporting to have a business score. But you already have NAV, Divvy, and WEX, so you only need 1 more tier 1, right? Well, 2 more tier 1s, and then you're good to go as far as having a business score and starting to build a diverse profile for your business. Step number 9, pull your personal credit reports and make sure you have a 680 and above on all 3 bureaus. Period. If you have a 680, then you can fast track getting some funding right away. If you don't have a 680, put together a plan to get to 680. What I will also say, guys, is nugget right here, especially for my vets, and you're not sure why you're still getting denied. Make sure that you do not have a block or a freeze or fraud alerts on your personal reports when you're trying to get big money for business credit. I'll post that video, but guys, some of you guys are getting denied because you have a block or a freeze, then you're applying for credit and they can't access your file. And then you're like, well, why can't I get approved? You must make sure that those freezes and blocks and stuff are off. Another nugget right here is if you pull your reports and you are a 680 and above, I'm going to say pull from My FICO or from a credit check total. I'll put those links in the description also, guys. This video, I'm working here, y'all. Like, people charge big money for this. I'm giving y'all the whole blueprint, okay? So please like and share. So anyway, if you already have a 680 and above on all 3 bureaus, guys, then you can go ahead and apply for my 680 program. I'll put the link in the description where we may be able to help you fast track. But that's one of the steps if you want to unlock $50,000 plus in like 30 days. I'm going to add one more thing here. Guys, I want you to get a business, either PayPal, Stripe, or Square. I don't care even if you don't even have any clients yet, you don't have any money there. Many of you guys from way back in the day have a personal PayPal. Guys, and people in Credit Lovers Lifestyle know PayPal, Stripe, and Square have working capital. PayPal gives everybody $10,000. And mind you, this $50,000 in 30 days, that can either be one term loan, one line of credit, or maybe it's the accumulation of all the cards and all the tiers. But literally, if you unlock all of these steps, you will have $50,000 worth of business credit in 30 days or less, depending on how fast you execute. Period, y'all, okay? So the reason why I'm saying that is position yourself in advance. Position yourself in advance for success. Just get the business PayPal. Just get the business Square or Stripe. Pick one of them. Guys, when people in Credit Lovers Lifestyle know that I get offered all the time money from PayPal and Square and Stripe. PayPal offered me like $57,000 and I didn't even apply. That's because you have the business account with them. You're building up that relationship. And for them, they did see some revenue. So they just offer me things all the time. So position yourself, guys. Set up one of those accounts. One more nugget in this area. Guys, for your personal credit reports, look at who you have your personal credit cards with. If you have a personal American Express, personal Discover, personal Chase, personal Citi card, personal Capital One, guys, and leverage that relationship. This is an action item, higher level strategy, meaning you're picking up the phone and saying, hey, I have a personal American Express. I'm a business owner. I want to know, do I qualify for the business American Express? Hey, I have a personal Chase. I want to know if I qualify for the business Chase. I am a business owner. Guys, this is a higher level nugget of actually being able to transition into business credit and get big money. Somebody say big money fast, okay? And step number 10, guys, is to make an appointment with your small business banker all the way from step number 3 when you make the business bank, when you got your business bank account. Why am I saying that? There are money with these lenders and products they have that are not advertised online. Many entrepreneurs, investors, and small business owners do not qualify for the money because they do not look fundable and credible. They have not done these steps. Guys, I had you set up your business bank account right away for a reason. Do these steps and then, come on somebody, method to my madness, and then make your appointment with your small business banker because now you're going to them. And sometimes if you do everything quick enough, they can use the same inquiry if they did a soft inquiry. And I have people all the time in my courses and in my coaching, they have gotten business credit cards, business loans, business lines of credit just by making an appointment with their small business banker. Not the teller, not the branch manager, specifically the small business banker. Discuss your needs, what you're looking for, leverage that relationship. Got it, good, guys. And I'll add one more nugget, guys. LinkedIn, Yelp, and Yelp. Guys, make sure you have like a social media page. If you want to go like higher level, make sure like your LinkedIn has your business. Make sure you list your business with Yelp. The more data points you have out there for your business, especially as a new entrepreneur, new investor, or someone new to building business credit, the better your chances are of getting approved for big money because when they Google your business will come up. Gotta get out good, guys. So that was 10 steps. I'm not gonna go through all of them. I broke that thing down. So watch the video again, rewatch it, make your list of action items, guys. And for my nugget, I'm gonna say, stop looking for shortcuts. Guys, I have people all the time, well, let me just pay you to build my business credit. No, and I'm gonna tell you something. There's literally no service where the actual person can build business credit for you because you yourself have to fill out that application, have to sign us. A third party can't do that for you. But higher level, guys, you want to know how to do this on your own. Like real talk, because if you're having somebody else do it and you learn nothing else about it, you want to pay them for the rest of your life? Like take ownership, take responsibility for this process. Is it important to you? Could you use $50,000? Well, make your moves and make the time. I know you're busy. I'm busy. We're all busy. Make the time. I'm even going to add on here, and I'll add the grant information. I did a video on grants before, researching, grants for startups and grants for business owners and grants for minorities and grants for women and grants for vets. Guys, people be like, oh my God, so much work. Okay. And if that work results in $20,000 to start your business, was it worth it? We spend money and time on things way less important. But if it takes you a little bit of time to research some grants and you actually get approved for one, guys, that helped you a lot. So make the time, stop looking for the shortcuts and do it one good time yourself. Because after you learn the process, you never have to do it again. Got it, good, guys. I hope that was helpful for you. Please make sure you like and share and subscribe and have a super amazing day on purpose.